Welcome back, tool enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a lineup of must-have ingenious tools that take innovation to the next level. These picks are designed to save you time, boost productivity, and simplify your projects. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these tools will blow you away. Stick around to see what's redefining the way we work. The GREENWORKS 80-volt 12-inch cordless snow shovel redefines snow clearing with a blend of power and convenience. Its 12-inch clearing path swiftly tackles compact snow, while the 6-inch clearing depth ensures efficient removal even in heavier conditions. Powered by an 80-volt 2.0-hour battery, this shovel delivers a solid 25 minutes of runtime, allowing for focused clearing on driveways and sidewalks. Thanks to the brushless motor, users get high torque with whisper-quiet operation, enhancing comfort and productivity. Paired with an ergonomic design that alleviates strain and a quick push-button start, it provides an eco-conscious and user-friendly alternative to gas-powered counterparts, making snow removal a breeze from start to finish. XINQIAO third-hand support system is a powerhouse of adaptability for detailed woodworking tasks. Crafted from high-grade steel, it supports up to 154 pounds, providing a solid, unwavering assist for tasks that demand steady hands and reliable grip. Its adjustable height range, spanning from 23.6 to an impressive 104.2 inches, ensures it meets the demands of diverse setups, whether you're tackling low-to-ground projects or overhead installations. The stability is enhanced by its non-slip base and spring-loaded pins, minimizing any unwanted movement, ideal when installing items like cabinets, range hoods, or crown molding. The thoughtful design makes it a tool that smoothly handles its duty, leaving you free to focus on precision, ensuring each installation is exactly where it's meant to be. The WORKPRO 10-inch pop rivet gun combines strength with precision, making it a reliable asset for DIY enthusiasts and professionals tackling various riveting tasks. Outfitted with 3 interchangeable nose pieces that support 5 rivet sizes, this rivet gun adapts effortlessly to different project demands, whether you're reinforcing automotive parts or assembling home furniture. Its curved, ergonomic handle is thoughtfully crafted for steady control, complemented by a non-slip design that enhances comfort and minimizes hand fatigue. Built from durable aluminum alloy and high-grade steel, the WORKPRO rivet gun is engineered to withstand rigorous use while ensuring smooth, efficient operation, transforming complex repairs into streamlined achievements. The MINOVA cordless air-cooled Pro electric hot knife pushes the limits of versatility for those tackling synthetic fabrics, ropes, and foam. Fueled by an 18-volt 2.0-hour battery, this tool incorporates an air-cooled system that keeps it running smoothly without overheating, ensuring you can focus on precision without interruption. Included in the kit are 3 6-inch blades, crafted to provide a seamless and clean cut every time, sidestepping the messy aftermath of debris. Whether you're diving into intricate DIY projects, professional tasks, or detailed crafting, this hot knife is built to handle each cut with efficiency and ease, embodying both reliability and finesse in every slice. The KNOWEASY fastening cable tie tool takes cable management to a professional level, integrating durable die-cast steel construction with effortless one-hand operation. Engineered with an ergonomic handle and precision trigger, this tool minimizes hand strain while offering seamless adjustment through a dial control, ensuring precise, clean cuts on nylon ties. Its versatility accommodates ties from 2.4 millimeters to 4.8 millimeters, ideal for applications spanning electrical installations to industrial manufacturing. By combining ease of use with fine-tuned control, the KNOWEASY tool enhances safety and organization, creating an efficient, tidy setup that meets both high standards and practical needs for any project. The TITE-REACH 3/8-inch professional extension wrench redefines what it means to access hard-to-reach spots with ease. Crafted from durable aluminum, this tool is engineered to handle tight spaces and offers up to 125 foot-pounds of torque, lending you both reach and the strength needed for demanding tasks. Its hex-style head securely fits various sockets, giving you the confidence of a firm hold every time. Measuring 10 inches, it provides a generous extension that minimizes strain on your knuckles and improves your control, making it ideal for automotive repair, household adjustments, and construction projects alike. With this precision-built tool, you can tackle each project with renewed efficiency, transforming tight space challenges into manageable solutions. The Klein Tools 32308 multi-bit stubby screwdriver brings an intelligent blend of compactness and versatility, designed for both convenience and performance. With 7 interchangeable bits and a 1/4-inch nut driver, this compact powerhouse tackles various tasks while staying portable. Its adjustable blade length ensures even the tightest corners are within reach, making it a go-to for complex, confined spaces. Engineered for impact use, the blade detaches easily for compatibility with impact drivers, delivering a tool that's ready for demanding applications. To top it off, the cushion grip handle ensures a steady, comfortable hold, while rare earth magnets keep bits and fasteners locked in place, maximizing efficiency without compromising control. The Klein 32308 truly embodies the essence of a smart, adaptable tool, packed with thoughtful details for seamless handling from start to finish. The Skill Power Snake Drain Cleaner Kit brings a blend of robust power and cordless convenience to tackle clogged drains with precision. Armed with a 1/4-inch by 25-foot carbon steel cable, this tool extends reach into drain systems up to 2 inches in diameter, ensuring flexibility and durability even in tough blockages. Its variable speed trigger gives you tight control over the auger speed, adapting to different types of clogs without overexertion, while the 20-volt 2.0 amp-hour lithium battery delivers sustained energy for prolonged use. Paired with a rapid 30-watt charger, this kit ensures that you're always prepared for unexpected plumbing challenges, keeping your drains clear and your work uninterrupted. The ESAB Renegade Volt ES200i TIG welder redefines flexibility for welders tackling projects in challenging environments. With its ability to operate on battery, AC mains, or AM plus hybrid mode, it adapts seamlessly, delivering up to 200 A on AC and a commendable 140 A on battery, meaning users gain powerful performance wherever they are. Paired with 4 DeWalt FlexVolt 12 Ah batteries, this unit can burn through up to 33 electrodes on a single charge, showcasing impressive endurance in remote settings. Its rugged, portable frame, highlighted by an intuitive color screen and multiple lift points, ensures it remains both easy to handle and resilient, making it a valuable asset for mobile welders facing demanding tasks. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest power tool and tech gadget insights. See you in the next one.